Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I will show you how to send Stape.io server container access and Stape.io account level access. So if you are a freelancer, so most of the time you have to send container level access, and that is basically transfer ownership. And if you are a business owner and if you want to hire a freelancer or web analyst or tracking expert, so in that case you have to share account level access. So at first I will show you the account level access. So if you are a business owner and hire a freelancer, and the process is for you. So just click on the profile icon after creating the container, and then click on account settings, and then click on shared access and click on Stape user email. So I'm going to put my email here, and keep it in mind that the user with whom you share access will be given full access to your account and all right to manage it. You can revoke access at any time. So this time you are providing access to this person, and you can revoke access at any time. Okay, and just click on share access. Access shared. That's pretty simple. Okay, and now I will show you another way to share access for freelancers. So if you are a freelancer and you set up server-side tracking for clients, after completing the setup you have to transfer the ownership to the client. So what's the process? Let me show you. Go to the container first. So I'm going to the container from SDTM, and this is the container, and all we have to do is just simply click on the three dot icon, then click on transfer ownership. Another notice for you. So after you change container ownership, you will immediately lose access to this container under current account. So please keep it in mind that after change the container ownership, you will immediately lose the access of this container. So your client will be the owner and you will lose the access. Okay, so the process is just input the email of the client or input the email of the user who will own this container. Okay, so this is the email, and just click on transfer. Okay, so you can see that I already lost the container from here. Okay, and if I check the email, you have transferred to this email. Okay, so the container or Stape.io server container transferred successfully, and I lost the access. That's it. Thank you so much.